So how can you restart the Apple Watch manually? Let's get started. Let's begin. If you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are a couple of ways you can restart the Apple Watch. Like obviously you can get it like just grab your Apple Watch, go to the settings, and you can find the general section where at the bottom you have the shut it down screen. So you can just go through the software methods and like turn it off that way. Or you can also just press and hold it down on the side button. It's not the digital crown, the rotating, but like the longer button. You hold it down on it, tap the power off and just drag it to like slide to power off, and the watch will be turned off. You're gonna then of course hold down on the power button again and it will be restarted. But most likely what you mean is to like do it manually, in a sense that you can like force restart the iPad if it stopped working or became unresponsive. So if this is the case and you would like to force the restart, what you have to do is to hold down on the side button and the digital crown at the same time, right? So you just press both things. You can do it with like one thumb like that, and you just hold down on it for like 10 seconds or so until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears, and this will trigger the force restart. So this is for the situations where, as I said, your watch becomes unresponsive and it doesn't work the way that it's supposed to do, and that is what you can do about it. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.